Introduction. Welcome to our travel adventure through Italy, a country renowned for its rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we explore iconic destinations and hidden gems, revealing the allure that makes Italy a must-visit for every traveler. Rome, the Eternal City. Discover the historical and cultural significance of Rome, Italy's capital. Marvel at must-see landmarks like the Colosseum, Vatican City, and the Pantheon. Experience the vibrant street life and indulge in delicious Roman cuisine while immersing yourself in the city's rich history. Venice, the city of canals. Delve into the unique charm and beauty of Venice. Explore iconic sites like St. Mark's Basilica and the Grand Canal, while enjoying romantic gondola rides and picturesque bridges. Don't forget to wander through Venice's lesser-known neighborhoods for hidden treasures. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Highlight Florence's rich artistic heritage and architectural wonders. Discover the significance of the Uffizi Gallery and the Florence Cathedral, while appreciating the stunning art and sculptures throughout the city. Don't miss the chance to savor local Tuscan cuisine and wine experiences. Shinutra, coastal beauty. Introduce the breathtaking landscapes and charming villages of Shinutra. Highlight the colorful cliffside villages and scenic hiking trails that connect them. Savor local seafood and regional wines while encouraging viewers to explore the area's natural beauty and tranquility. Amalfi Coast, a Mediterranean paradise. Explore the stunning coastline and picturesque towns of the Amalfi Coast. Showcase the beauty of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello while discussing the region's delicious cuisine, including limoncello and fresh seafood. Encourage viewers to enjoy breathtaking views and scenic coastal drives. Conclusion. In summary, Italy offers diverse attractions from Rome's historic landmarks to Venice's enchanting canals and Florence's artistic treasures. Remember these key takeaways: subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share your own travel experiences while exploring our related content.